Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today we are gonna make chullo kabab. So for chullo kabab here I have half kg of minced meat. It's finely minced, as you can see. 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of oil, 2 teaspoons of paprika powder, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, breadcrumbs, it's about 8 tablespoons, black pepper powder, it's about 2 teaspoons. And this is the medium size of onion which is grated and extracted the extra water. Now we're gonna mix it. Here I have some papaya paste. I'm gonna mix it in. Set it aside for like 2 hours, then we will make the kebabs. Rinse your hands with water and make the kebabs. Make 11 kebabs like this. Now let's fry it. Now heat up the oil in a pot and place the kebabs very carefully and very gently, one by one. On high flame for 1 minute, then cook them on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, this is our final look. If you like this recipe, hit the like button. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. We'll meet you in another video with some new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.